Namaste. I'm Surya from Mystic Designs Jewelry Store. The store is located in Banjara Hills Road number 10 before Rainbow Hospital Lane. When we started initially, it was one of its kind of a jewelry store in Hyderabad. No one had this kind of a store. I just started it as an experiment. Like I wanted something different, apart from other gold jewelry where people used to see only those. So I started this an option for giving a second option for gold, where people they can wear the beads along with the pendants. The diamond, people used to get their diamond pendants and gold pendants and get them fixed to our beads, different colors, whatever color they wanted. We could customize and give them. Initially, there was a problem. People were not used to wearing beads. As the years grew by, people started liking it now, and they like to experiment now. They're very happy using them, in different multiple. As the gold prices are shooting up now, people prefer more of beads and pearls and silver jewelry. We had options like we could take silver pendants and get them polished into gold, make them look like gold, and people with lesser amount they could wear many other collections. We deal with precious and semi-precious stones and pearls and a lot of silver jewelry too. In semi-precious stones we have like black onyx, green onyx and tourmalines and many other, where we can assemble in pendants and make them into necklaces of different shapes and sizes. And apart from in precious stones, we have rubies, emeralds and sapphires in precious stones. And apart from that, in silver jewelry, we have many collections like jhumkis, silver jhumkis, which are latest in fashion now. A lot of silver pendants, earrings, pendant sets, anklets, finger rings, bangles, bracelets, etc. Apart from that, we can do it in gold finish too. Silver pendants, we can get them polished in gold and put them in beads, in various beads, whatever color you'll want to, and set them into them, which can be worn for a wedding functions or bigger functions. We have a craftsman sitting here, so you can sit and design. We can sit and design accordingly, however we want it. We can put them in beads. The pendant, this is the pendant. This is silver gold polished pendant. We can set them like this and wear them. And we have a lot of silver fillings. We can mix and match with any beads and put them together. This is our USP. So people, they come and sit and we can customize it accordingly. You can contact us through Event Needs app or website. Thank you, Event Needs.